Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how we can practically withdraw our Presearch token that we earn from the Presearch program by only searching on the internet like we do with Google, Bing or any other search engine. But basically, before we begin, for all the people that don't already know about Presearch, you can find more information and other videos on my channel, so I invite you to take a look at them first. And obviously, if you don't have an account, please use my referral link that you will find on the video description, so we can help each other out a little bit. After you have opened your account and begin earning Presearch, obviously the first thing you need to know that to be able to withdraw your Presearch token, you need to have a minimum of 1,000 tokens, so you can then withdraw them. Basically, you need to be a little bit patient with this program, because obviously you can get a maximum of 8 tokens every 24 hours with this program. And you have to know that they now the Presearch team, they have developed a new engine, or a new algorithm, we should say, that they control how you search on the internet with Presearch, and obviously how legit your searches are, because obviously you need to stay very careful. Do not use quick searches. Do not type a letter in here and click a link, because this will not count as a legit search, or let's say a good search. So basically you may have your account suspended by doing this. Make sure you use this program as fairly as possible, and do let's say real researches that you do on the internet, because at the end of the day you can do the same thing like you do with Google, but the difference is that Google keeps all their money for themselves, and with Presearch you will get something back by using this like you every day use your search engine, or your internet, we should say. So basically, after you have opened an account to get your tokens, and obviously got to 1,000 coins, then you will be able to redeem your tokens. Now for this for these procedures, I will be on my previous video that I recorded in Albanian language, so I can show you how you can do that, because obviously I cannot do it anymore because I don't have 1,000 coins to do that. So I thought you should know this. Okay, we are with the video here now. As you can see, I had more than 1,000 coins, so now I am able to withdraw them. And basically, the first thing you need to do before we go ahead with the redeem tokens, because obviously you need to click on redeem tokens. Firstly, you need to have an account with My Ether wallet. And obviously, if you don't know how to open and secure an account with My Ether wallet, or with any other site, then I basically think that you shouldn't do this if you don't already know, or you are not sure how to open or create and secure a new account. So after you have opened your My Ether wallet account, then we can proceed with the procedure. So basically, the first thing you need to do is go to your Presearch account, go to your account, then go to rewards account, so you can be on your rewards page, and then click on redeem tokens. After you click on the redeem token button, it will take you to the withdraw page, where basically you have the instructions. So if you are not sure and you want to read the instruction, you can click on the instruction section, where it will take you to the instruction section, and in there you can see how you can create your new account with My Ether wallet and then redeem your tokens. But the procedure is very easy, so I just wanted to show you. Then after you've done all of that, you must go to the withdraw account and select your account. Obviously, we are going to choose reward accounts because we have our token on the reward accounts. Then you must enter the amount of tokens which you are going to withdraw. As you can see, the minimum amount is 1000 tokens and maximum amount is still 1000 tokens, which means that you have to withdraw precisely 1000 tokens. You cannot withdraw less and you cannot withdraw more than 1000 tokens, even if you have more than 1000. Then you enter your wallet address, which you got from my Ether wallet page, because obviously you need your wallet address, since this it's a token and it operates on the Ethereum blockchain. That's why you need the My Ether wallet address to be able to withdraw those tokens. But obviously, if you don't know already, when you use My Ether wallet, then this means that you have to add this token to your My Ether wallet, and by doing this, this is very easy to add a custom token. So let me just take it there. So basically, when you go to My Ether wallet, you have a section where it says token, and you have a button in there with the plus that it says custom token. You just click on it, then you add the address of the Presearch contract or Presearch token, then you add the symbol, which is pre, and then you add the decimals, which is 18, then you click on save, and you will add your token to your My Ether wallet address. And then after you do your withdrawal of the tokens, those tokens are going to get transferred to this address in here. So that's why I told you at the beginning, be very safe with My Ether wallet address, because you may have other tokens to this one, or you may create an entirely new address with My Ether wallet by just getting your Presearch tokens. Obviously, after you compile all of these fields, then you click on submit. It will show you the token withdrawal terms and conditions, where it says that obviously Presearch is not responsible if you enter an address that it's not correct, or if you enter an address that it's not yours. So be very careful with your address from My Ether wallet, and yeah, so you don't lose your coins. It says in here that the tokens may take up to 48 hours to appear on our My Ether wallet address, but it may take even longer. But just don't worry about that, because you can track. I think that you can track the transaction after you have done it. Obviously, we click on continue on the token withdrawal terms and conditions, and then you will see your transaction on your Presearch withdraw tokens, where basically it says when you did the transaction, what you withdrawn, the amount of tokens. Obviously this that is 1000, but we need to do another step, which you can see in here confirmed. It says no, because you need to go to your email address, to the email address that you have created the account on Presearch, and there you just confirm the withdrawal request that you have made on Presearch. And after you click on confirm withdrawal, then you as you can see, this is my email in here. And then after you do that, it will take you again to the page where it says that the withdrawal is confirmed, and is going to say yes. If you are into this step, congratulations, you have just made your withdrawal for the 1000 tokens that you have earned with Presearch. So that was it. I think that it was very easy. So yeah, enjoy. Hope you can do as many tokens as you can. But again, guys, just make sure to follow the Telegram group of Presearch, and in there you will have a pinned message where it will take you to a link where you can read the rules and the ways how you can do eligible searches on the internet, and not risk to get banned or to get your account locked out by doing by doing bad searching, let's say, or let's say by profiting from this program. Obviously now they have an automated algorithm which they can detect if you are abusing the searches or not. So make sure to follow the Telegram group and watch and read carefully about the rules, so you don't risk getting banned from this platform or getting your account locked up, so then you won't be able to get your hard-earned tokens, because it will take time to get to these amounts to be able to withdraw them. Okay, then that was it for today. Thanks very much for watching. As always, before we go away, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also turn on post notification, and don't forget to use my referral link so you can give me a hand with this. And yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.